Hi friends, welcome to my channel Manikita Art and Craft. Today's topic is how to make paper lotus flower step by step. First we needed some color A4 size paper. We cut the paper in 12 or 6 centimeter wise. Now we will cut all color papers in 4 parts. Now we will fold all color papers like this way. First we will make the flower. Then we will make the leaves of the flower. Then we will join the leaves and flowers. Then we will cut the another big leaves like 16 or 6 centimeter wise. Now we will join the big leaves with the flower. Now we will make the middle part of the lotus. Now in this step we will use yellow color paper. Now we will join the middle part. So friends, my lotus flower is complete. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe.